Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Bentley Continental GT. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches here. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. I'm not seeing any scratches on this door at all. Everything here looks spotless. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the back of the car. Alright, the trunk and back bumper look perfect. I do not see a scratch here at all. Everything is spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door looks perfect. No dents, no scratches here. Everything is fine. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks excellent, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. Now we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. The window switches look fine. Everything is in excellent condition. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also, backup camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that everything looks fine. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all here. The shifter looks good. The radio buttons are in perfect condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. No wear and tear on the buttons, and the leather and stitching around the steering wheel is perfect as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.